Okay, so this is a video on how to get solid tires onto an electric scooter. There's the electric scooter sitting on its side, and I actually cut the old tires off because I could not get them over the rim. You can see all the little scrape marks of me trying to get the old ones off. Couldn't do it, so I just cut them off. So next problem is how do you get the new ones on? The new ones are harder. They're solid rubber. So I'm going to try and use a vise to hold one edge and then pry over the other edge with a screwdriver. And we'll see if it works. Other thing I'm doing is I'm going to use this Dawn to make it so it slides on. This is a good way of getting stuff on metal that is made of rubber because the Dawn will eventually disappear. It just washes away and it holds tight. All right, here we go. So I'm going to take this off out of here. I've already unbolted it, but I still have the power wire. You can't see it, but this wire right here, I am not going to unhook that. I'm just going to leave it where it is and just put this in here, and hopefully that works. Scooch just a little. All right. One thing I didn't show you is that I have a bucket of very hot water I got off the stove, and what I did, and I'm going to use that so I don't burn my hands, is this is now a little more pliable since it's nice and warm. All right. Step one. This is the Dawn. I have it on here. And nice and slick in there. All right. Okay, there's that. So I'm going to close this vise up so I hold one side on. Okay, what are we doing here? Yeah, already scratching some paint. But I just need to get a good handhold. My left hand. I'll try and come over the top with this. Oh, that's pretty good. Let's come right over the top. Yep, we almost had it. Still pinch your fingers in there. Okay, there's one part. There we go. Okay, it's a little lopsided, so I'm going to pull it up a little bit, sticking this thing through the little holes that are here. Just kind of even it out a little. Just be super careful of your fingers. If you get them trapped under there, they're not coming out. Go. Still not all the way in right there, so I'm just going to wiggle a little bit with the screwdriver. There we go. Okay, voila, new tires.